Before performing the service, prepare a clean workspace. Remove the mattress and clear any bedroom furniture or clutter from around and under the adjustable base. This service is best performed with the base turned over. First, unplug the adjustable base from the outlet or power point. Locate the massage motor that needs to be replaced and make note of the orientation of how it is assembled to the base. Disconnect the massage motor cable. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws at each of the 4 corners on the massage housing. Grab the massage motor by the center to remove the entire massage housing. Using the new massage motor and housing, make note of the cable guide on the plastic frame of the massage housing and route the massage motor cable through the guide. Next, apply the new massage motor and housing into the cutout on the platform. Make sure you have applied the massage housing with the same orientation and ensure the massage motor cable is routed towards the control box. Reinsert the screws by hand to each of the 4 corners of the massage housing to ensure proper alignment and even tension of the rubber web. Next, tighten the screws starting with one corner, followed by the opposing corner, back to the opposite side, finishing with the final screw. Check that the massage motor is sitting evenly with the rubber web and plastic housing. Ensure all tension is even. Reconnect the massage motor cable. If you have any questions or would like further assistance, please contact us through the contact information on your warranty card.